The car battery will be empty under the ride. Measure the alternator. Hi, today I show you how to test a generator for function. This is done when the car battery empties under the ride. This is noticed by the fact that the exterior and interior lighting is dimly weaker until the vehicle is completely out and the battery symbol in the tachometer is illuminated. This fault can have various causes, such as a broken V-belt, a defective battery, or a defective alternator. How to test an alternator for function I show you now. For this, we need a standard multimeter, and turn the knob to 200 volts DC. Now we start the engine. If the engine cannot start on its own, start starter with starter cable. Now we place the red test pin on the positive pole of the car battery, and the black test pin on the negative pole of the car battery.
Und prüfe nun die Spannung. So, wie wir sehen können.
As you can see, the multimeter shows a voltage of 14.7 volts. This is very good, since a functioning alternator has to perform more than 12 volts. The alternator properly charges the car battery. A defective alternator produces less than 12 volts. For example, plus 11.4 volts. We are now switching off the engine. Now we measure the car battery at rest. The value should indicate at least 12 volts. The value of this battery is 12.5 volts. This battery works very well, and can continue to be used. If your alternator is less than 12 volts in power, you can first try to disassemble the signal cable of the alternator, and the contacts with abrasive paper from corrosion. And grease the contacts with pole grease, and then reconnect them. Attention! Risk of death. Please disconnect the negative terminal of the car battery before you can get an electric shock. If your auto battery is empty during the night, even though your auto battery and alternator work, please check if you have a HiFi sound system installed, whether your radio, and yours amplifier is switched to permanent plus. I hope I helped you, and I wish you a lot of fun at work. Disclaimer of liability. I give no guarantee and no guarantee for the correctness and completeness of the works shown. Please ask a professional mechanic with license before attempting to repair them alone. Please always observe the legal safety instructions in order to avoid injury. Many thanks. Goodbye.